Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about the kingdoms of Mysuru. Yeah, first we shall do some recap. Okay, where is Mysuru? South Karnataka. What is the name of the royal family which ruled Mysuru? The Wadayar family. Third question, name the ruler who founded the Attara Kacheri, Chikkadevaraya Wadayar. Now we shall learn about the Hyderali. Hyderali. Hyderali started as a junior officer and finally became the commander in chief of Krishnaraja Wadiyar III. In 1758, he defeated Marathas and was given the title Nawab Hyder Ali Bahadur. Hyderali achievements. Hyderali expanded and doubled his kingdom size. He moved north and occupied many Maratha areas. Hyder employed people from different backgrounds in his kingdom. The, ex- the expansion of Mysuru kingdom under the leadership of Hyder Ali. You can see the places. How did the Mysore expansion happened? Okay, now we shall learn about Hyder Ali achievements. Hyder Ali was Hyder Ali could not read and write. However, he could speak many languages. Okay. Battles with British. The British did not tolerate the expansion of Mysuru kingdom under Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali. This led to a clash between Hyder Ali and British. Battles with British. Four battles were fought by Hyder Ali and later by his son Tippu Sultan against the British. They are called Anglo-Mysore Wars. Anglo-Mysore Wars. First war, 1767 to 1769. Hyder Ali fought against the British and the Nizam of Hyderabad. Second war. Hyder Ali was killed. His son Tippu Sultan continued the fighting. It was from 1780 to 1784. Third war. Tippu loses half his kingdom to the British and the East India Company. Fourth war. 1799. Tippu's alliance with the French was threat. British invade from four sides. Tippu gets killed. First Anglo-Mysore War. First Anglo-Mysore War, 1767 to 1769. Hyder Ali gained some success against the British in this war. Okay. The British, after suffering losses, signed an agreement with Hyder Ali. The agreement was called Madras Treaty. First Anglo-Mysore War. However, the British did not help Hyder Ali when the Marathas attacked Mysuru. This made Hyder Ali angry and he attacked British. This led to the Second Anglo-Mysore War. South India map during the Anglo-Mysore Wars. You can see here. Okay, on the right side of your screen. Second Anglo-Mysore War. Second Anglo-Mysore War from 1780 to 1784. Hyder Ali fought against the British and the Marathas. He died while fighting this war. He died in 1782. His son Tippu Sultan continued the battle. Tippu Sultan. Tippu Sultan. Tippu Sultan. 1750 to 1799. Tippu Sultan, also known as the Tiger of Mysuru, and Tippu Sahib was a ruler of the kingdom of Mysuru. He was the eldest son of Hyder Ali of Mysuru. Tipu Sultan achievements. He introduced a number of administrative innovations during his rule. He used the new lunisolar calendar. Tipu Sultan introduced a new set of coins and coinage for his kingdom. Tipu Sultan built a palace called Daira Daulat Bagh in Srirangapatna, Mysuru in 1784. Now, Tipu Sultan and the wars. Tipu Sultan had very little help during the war. Thus, he was forced to sign Treaty of Mangalore with the British. According to the treaty, the original land and the other possessions were returned to both parties, and all the prisoners of the war were left free. This treaty increased the popularity of Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan and the wars. Tipu Sultan led the second Anglo-Mysore War when his father Hyder Ali died in the battle due to illness. Tipu Sultan and the wars. Wait one second. Tipu Sultan and the wars. This did not end the wartime for Tipu Sultan and the Mysore kingdom. In the Third Mysuru War, the British occupied the capital at Srirangapatna. He had to sign another treaty with the British and gave up half of his kingdom to them. He also surrendered 2 of his sons as hostages to the British. Tipu Sultan and the wars. The Third Anglo-Mysore War made Tipu Sultan very angry at the British, and he decided he would send them out of India. Tipu Sultan and the wars. This then led to the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War, but Tipu Sultan lost and died during this war. Okay, thank you.